here. That's the Khaki Campbell. Female render duck. White and tan female render duck. The rowan duck.
I like how they gave it a green head, even though its green head hasn't come in yet. It's very nice of them.
Yeah. Oh no, that was a big bump. Oh, for this one. Let's see. What the?
The rowan? Rue?
Oh, this is the rowan. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That green-headed one was the Welsh Harlequin. This is the rowan. Rowan.
And those are all the girls, right?
Those were all the girls. Our only boy is right here, and he's also a render duck. Dang, I might kill him. Hi. Yeah. There they are. Yeah, this one was the Welsh Harlequin. Oh my goodness.
I still think we should name her Harley Quinn.
Oh, that's Remy's duck.
Well, I don't know.
That's what he says.
I know, I think the best part of the whole thing right now is that guy.
Jersey?
He's bound and determined to get some duck.
He wasn't the chicken.